Okay, so hi, this is our room. We're on our bed, and this is our question and answer / house tour video. And I asked questions and then I wrote them down, and we finally have some time to answer. So the first one is, how did we meet?
When we met in high school, you were dating one of my friends, and like a year later we got together.
Pretty close, yep. And then the second one is, how did we get together?
You can answer that one.
Well, we started hanging out, but we didn't like really get together until a long time after knowing each other. When did we decide to move in together?
We decided to move in together probably in like January of this year.
So we had been together for like almost a year, and then, well, he told me last summer, like junior year, he was like, yeah, we're gonna move in together, and I was like, okay, we'll see. And then we decided, because we both wanted to go to Chico, like neither of us like came to follow each other, but like we both just wanted to come to Chico, and then it was like, why would we get two separate houses when we'd be staying with each other all the time anyways?
And we really started looking for places like around March.
Or April, yeah.
Or April, yeah.
And then, what has been your biggest challenges moving in together? Well, I think that for us, a lot of people say that it's like a really big adjustment, but we had already been like mostly living together for the past 3 months. Like we went to Costa Rica and we were together, and then like we came back here and we would stay at each other's houses like all the time. So it wasn't like a really big adjustment. I guess it was just different because like it was our mutual home instead of like going to other people's houses, which was a good change.
I think that like one of the biggest challenges that we've had is like finding like friends that like aren't like each other's friends.
Yeah.
And getting like time with friends and not like doing, I don't know, just having time away from each other.
This one's pretty similar. It says, what has been hard about moving in?
Nothing's really been hard. It's hard to find a job.
Not for me. I'm a server at Olive Garden.
But anyway, it's been hard like choosing like what we want to decorate the room with, and
oh my god.
Shopping.
So it was easy, but the first time we like went shopping for our apartment, I was like, no, we can't move in together. Like, there's no way. This is not gonna work. And like,
she's just
we
one of those
had
people.
Like a fit in Bed Bath and Beyond. Like literally, Keith and I were like, it was so bad.
She's one of those people that like takes forever to shop. I'm the kind of person that's like, okay, let's go. We need this, this, and this. Let's get it and get out. She wants to go look at everything and like compare prices and like get the best deals and like.
And he wouldn't. He was like, he would not let me buy certain towels
because they were nasty towels. I wanted nice ones. Anyway.
What is something that has surprised you about moving in? Well, what has surprised me is I thought that we were gonna like fight or argue more, but like I would say before, when we were in high school, like during the last little bit, we argued a good amount. Like it was like 70-30, maybe more, that we or like 60 good, 40 argue, but now it's like 95 good, 5% argue, I would say.
And when we do argue, we usually deal with that pretty easily. But I'm surprised that it's worked as well as it had.
Yeah. What is something that annoys you about me?
About you?
Yeah.
How you shop. That's what annoys me the most.
Okay. Well, one thing that really pisses me off is that he cannot wake up on his own. I have to wake him up, and every single day, like he'll be like, oh my gosh, like I have something to do at 7:30 in the morning, and I wake up, or my alarm goes off like from 6:30 to 7, and it goes off and he doesn't wake up. So like the only way
I'm just a
that
very
he wakes
heavy
up
sleeper.
is if I like wake him up. And then I always go to school first, and I come home and our bed is never made. Never, and that annoys me so much. Anything else that annoys you?
No.
What's our favorite part about living together?
Favorite part is that you cook me good food. Being able to like see you all the time, and like having you in my bed every night. I really like that.
Yeah, I love like coming home and being able to just cuddle at night and like watch TV. That's my favorite part. Do you think you'll get married?
I don't know. We'll save that for another video.
Okay. Who said I love you first?
Me.
Both times. Both times we were together. You said it first. What am I bad at?
What are you bad at? Parking.
No. No.
She does not know how to park a car. Like we share a parking spot, and literally it's parked like sideways in the spot. Like one tire is in the other person's spot, the other tire is in the other person's next to us. It's just really annoying. She's not a good parker.
I'm also bad at dishes.
Yeah, she can't wash dishes either. The one time that I had her like just put stuff in the dishwasher, it like got burned and she like messed it up. So I have to do all the dishes by myself.
He's bad at making guacamole. He put an entire lemon in guacamole, and it was the worst thing I've ever had.
That's because she told me to put the entire lemon in. Anyway,
what do we usually argue about?
What do we argue about? A lot
Making
of different
the bed.
things.
The bed.
Basically, like
skateboarding.
Who does what chores is a big argument.
Yeah. Or like your productiveness. Definitely.
Employment.
Yeah, employment. And what else do we argue?
Yeah. Not much.
Oh, we argue a lot. Like about him sleeping, because he always like does crazy stuff in his sleep.
I'm just like a very heavy sleeper, and like people can like shake me and like I won't wake up. And apparently one time my head butted her in my sleep.
No, I'm not kidding. You like went to cuddle with me, and then you're like banged your head against my head in the middle of the night, and I was like, no. And then how do we make up?
How do we make up?
Usually we don't talk for like 10 to 20 minutes, and then we'll be like, are you ready to talk? And then like we'll just laugh.
Usually like I'll just like stare at her and like give her a look, and then she'll start laughing. I'll be like, and then like start laughing. Okay, well that is it for today.